Now you know that this is a bad time for sports fans and people who love and play and watch sports, right? We are suffering like dogs right now. I'm going to show you how this coronavirus and its crippling effects on all sporting activities have us sports fans desperate and starving for action. You know, the West Indies is no good in a test cricket again. Test cricket overall is not very appealing. The format is too long and it's too boring and people don't have time to sit and watch cricket for 5 days and blah, blah, blah. Me did think so too. Well, with the sports starvation we are going through right now, would I watch some test cricket? If it's in the West Indies a play against Zimbabwe, we would have watched all 5 days. That's how we start for sports right now. I don't care if the match end up in a tame draw or if the fielding team get charged for slow overrate and the West Indies even lose. But to watch a test match from day 1 to day 5 would be better than to watch nothing at all like we're watching right now. Forget about T20 and 50 overs cricket. That would be a bonus. May we satisfy with some test match cricket right now. Who said test cricket then? Yeah, man. Some good old red ball cricket. Yes. The good old days. To all me miss sports. Me all miss test cricket. Long live test cricket. Yes. Long live red ball cricket.